At Dakota Automation, we are a premier integrator of industrial robots and work with a number of the world's leading robot manufacturers to ensure that each system fits our customers' unique environment and project challenges. With applications including CNC loading and unloading, stacking and feeding, machine tending, automated assembly systems, and packaging and palletization systems. With an experience base that runs well beyond robots, our true differentiator lies in our expertise at marrying robotic integration with hard automation. This combination of having core competencies in both hard automation and robotic integration allows us to develop and deliver the most flexible and robust equipment for any application. For robotic systems integrated around you, it's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.